Hey guys, my name is Ayo and welcome to my channel. I've got a couple of dresses that I want to amend and change the way it looks, and I've got it's made at a friend's wedding. I think it was about 3 years ago, and this is the dress. So it has a chiffon down and it's pleated. I love this, and it's long all the way down to the ground. I love this. And then it has like a princess cup with like a mesh, goldish mesh fabric on top of it. So this is what it looks like. And so what I was thinking about doing, since I actually like this, the bottom part of it, I was thinking of taking this upper part off and probably reducing the lining on the inside to be short, so it has this see-through effect down as well. So let's get started. So first thing first, I'm trying to figure out how this was installed, and I can see here that it continues to here, which is about the end of the band. So what I am thinking of doing is probably simply cutting it here, giving about an inch so that I can fold it in. So I'm going to either cut it, or I'm going to take out the zip completely and put it all back in. I think it just might be easier for me to just cut it out. So I'm going to cut out about an inch. Yeah, let's say about an inch. I'm worried about losing this because I don't want to lose this pleats. These pleats are just beautiful. So tuck it in, and I'm going to hand stitch it all the way down. So this is the front, and this is the inner part, the back. So let's begin tucking, sewing, threading needle, taking your needle and thread, handy dandy needle and thread. Tuck it in, fold over, and be careful so it doesn't show on the side. Just take a little bit of